Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by charging the case and earbuds to full. This stabilizes initial calibration and allows any firmware to install. Once charged, put the earbuds in and enable pairing mode, then pair with your phone or laptop. Select the device name and accept permissions. Make sure you've chosen the right ear tips for a snug seal. A good fit improves passive isolation and makes noise canceling effective. After pairing, play a test track so you can confirm left/right audio and confirm ANC activates correctly. Once paired, run any built-in fit test and use the equalizer to match your listening preference because tuning affects both clarity and perceived noise cancellation. Next, adjust ANC levels or switch to transparency/adaptive modes to suit your surroundings. Higher ANC removes more low-frequency hum but may alter spatial cues. If you use multiple devices, enable multipoint so you can accept calls across gadgets seamlessly. Also set touch or press controls and voice assistant shortcuts. To finish, use your earbuds with short volume checks and frequent pauses to rest ears. This prevents fatigue and preserves battery. When done, return them to the case so they power down and charge. This keeps firmware and battery healthy. If you encounter problems, ANC stops working or audio cuts, first clean tips and contact pins, then reset the earbuds. Forget the device, do a factory reset, and repair. Finally, keep firmware up to date, because updates often fix bugs and improve ANC and battery life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.